that's a good start to the video. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sydney. I hope that you guys are excited for this video today. I'm sure you can see by the title that I'm going to be kind of like purging all of my clothes today, and I really don't know if this is going to be like a really big one or if I'm just gonna be disappointed with the results, or who knows. I guess we'll just have to go and see. I'm just gonna like kind of preview what my closet looks like right now. It's kind of a mess because I've just kind of like thrown shoes on, like, because I've got a whole rack in here of shoes, and then I've thrown some like in behind, and then my clothes are all kind of like smushed together because I have so many hoodies. Because all my underwear's and stuffed in here with like a bunch of suits in the back that I haven't worn yet because they're new. And it's Canada and it's freezing. And then those are all socks. This one is like all my bras, which go back all the way to the back. These are all kind of workout clothes that are like probably the most organized out of everything. And then this one, oh, I have to use a safety pin to open my dresser drawers. This one is all my pajamas, which are definitely not organized. They're just shoved in any way they can fit. And then I have my shirts, which are like the worst ones. These ones, they like are all kind of like, they're really deep in here too. And I don't really know what's in there anymore. And then this one doesn't open all the way because I have my tripod in the way, so I just kind of like shove stuff in here as I can. And yeah. Oh, and I have a whole bin of clothing. Oh, that one's the blanket one. I have a whole bin of clothing under here, which is all my summer stuff that I have to go through too. So yeah. I should bring out this side of the closet, even though this is stuff like I never wear. Like some of these are like little kids' clothes from when I was a child. My prom dress. Get my little baby kilt.
Oh, it's cute.
And my little, like, that was from Scotland. My dad got me a Barbie jumper. It's like denim. It's got like little pockets. I don't know why, he used to always bring me Barbie stuff back whenever he went. Like, there's another one. A little, like, Barbie jumper. Like, wedding clothes from when I was little. Oh, Hondo P got shit all over that when I was a kid. Oh my gosh, I've got more Barbie things in here. I've got a whole denim jacket. I don't remember some of these. Little Scottish shop sweatshirt. Oh my god, I haven't looked at these in forever. My mom's like, you should keep them for when you have kids. And I'm like, that might never happen. That was more solid than I thought. I was gonna squish more and I didn't move. That's fun. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I feel like maybe I should start off with like something easy. Like something I know doesn't fit or I know I haven't worn in a while. Because like this skirt, like I never wear because it's like semi see-through. So like when it hits the sun, you can like see your legs and whatever underwear you're wearing under it. So I feel like this one I can thank. I say goodbye to. That's gonna be my donate pile. And then I feel like I'll have to have like a try on later pile. To like things that I know that I'm gonna have to like try on before I decide if I'm getting rid of them or not. Cause like it's really like something like this I find is like hard because I'm like they're really comfy and they have pockets and like I like wearing them, but I hardly ever wear them because I don't have tops that go with them. But I don't know if that's a problem that I have to get another top or maybe this is why I have this much clothing. But I might try some easy things first because like I know these jeans, I hate them. They always like, they never fit right. So I think I'm gonna say like thank you and goodbye. But there's like other things that I know are easy. Like I know my bathing suits that I got this year, like I'm gonna want to keep because they're like brand new and I haven't worn them yet. This will be the keep pile. But yeah, there's some things where I don't wear them a lot, but I don't know, like, I can say like goodbye to this because my butt does not fit in these anymore. And I feel like this one can go too. And this is gonna be a lot.
Spot.
Alright, so that's my donate pile. It doesn't look as impressive. I'm gonna go from the side. Yeah, it's pretty big. It's like this, all of this stuff in here is like to donate. This stuff I have to get confirmed of where to put it because some of it's like sentimental to my mom. This is my maybe pile because I have to try things on and see if they still fit. And then this is my keep pile, which still looks very large. And I really hope that it looks a lot smaller when I like fold everything. And there's Pigeon. She was a helper. Place one sock on top of the other. Oh, you have to cut it. Cut it into thirds. Oh, I missed that part. Go back. Okay, cut it. Oh, you just fold one on the line. Okay, I think I get the gist of it. I can do this. You're supposed to like cut it in thirds and then you fold it and it should be able to stand up. this in the back for the winter, and then all my dress clothes, then my dresses and like jumpers, long dresses. I have a pair of like overalls in here, and then my only skirt that I own and all my extra hangers. And then I've got my little cubby system, so those are all ball caps, and I also have a bucket hat in there. This one has my felt hat in it, but it also has some like headbands. These have my little purses and wallets. These are my bigger purses, my winter hats, and my 2 pairs of mittens. And then I have like jackets and flannels and other shirts, and then it goes into all my hoodies, which have the ones with like no hood. This one has like a what are they called? Zip up, half zip, the half zip ones. And then these are all zip up ones, and then these are all just like pullover hoodies. And then in the back I have cardigans because I wear those only in like the winter. And then all my shoes are organized with the ones I wear the most here, and then some like fancier shoes over here, and like my slippers, and hiding in the back are like some of my sports shoes. Then over in my drawers, this is now all of my swimsuits. My one pieces are at the back, the tops are here, these are the bottoms for them. I have a bodysuit in here because I only own one. And then these are my sports bras, and then I have my like compression socks in here just because they had nowhere else to go. Then in this drawer, I have, these are all of my socks, and then this whole row, it's all just underwear. And then in this drawer is all of my shirts. So these are all my workout shirts and some long sleeves. And then these are all my t-shirts, and these are all my tank tops, crop tops, and like other miscellaneous ones. I've got a couple off the shoulder ones in there. And then at the bottom, these are all my pajama shirts and just shirts I don't wear as much or care as much about, but I usually use. And then this whole drawer is not gonna let me open it. There we go. It's completely empty. And then this whole drawer has all my bottoms in it. So these are all my leggings, and it ends in my jeans, and then these are my pajama pants and sweatpants, and then these are my shorts, and then at the back it's just an extra pair of pants that aren't jeans or sweatpants. They're kind of like fancier, and then in between that is my like sleep shorts. So all the shorts, and then it ends in a pair of pants. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. I am really excited with how everything turned out. I ended up with 2 garbage bags. This one's not quite full, but this one's full, and then a bag of hangers to be thrown out. So I think I did pretty good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure if you like this video to actually like it down below. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification, since I don't post very often, then you'll get to know right away. As well as make sure to add any comments below if you want to see more videos like this, or if you have some ideas of what I should do in the future. Alright, thank you, love you, bye!